In this video, I will show how to convert comma separated list of data into column. So we can see we have this example data. Now we will convert into a list. So select firstly, and in this data tab, click on text column. Here select delimited, then click on next. Here select the delimiters. In my case, it's a comma. You can see the preview here. Click on next. Now you have to select some columns. So click here firstly, and in my case I want to select these 4 columns. Then click on finish. So this is the way, guys, you can convert in Microsoft Excel. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.